everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a form easily using Canva. This is perfect for surveys or fact forms, registration forms and more, and it only takes a minute. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then create a new project, and then you can use a regular canvas or switch to presentation mode if you prefer working with slides. And then just tap on elements, this one, and then just scroll down until you find on the browse categories until you find forms, this one, just tap on it, and then on here just select the forms types that you want to use, for example for business, educations or events, feedback and many more. Just choose one that you like. For example, I want to choose this one, like this. And then you can also edit your forms. Just tap on it and then go to edit, and then on here just customize your form. You can change your questions over here, and then you can also choose your answer type like this. It has a short answer, long answer, or maybe multiple answer, checkbox and many more. Just choose that you need. Or you can also go to settings, and here you can set the header and then footer, and then you can also setting the response. You can set the privacy response on here. Just feel free to customize your forms as you like, as you need. And after that, and next you can also personalize the designs, like changing the background, and then you can also customize your color forms over here. Just choose the color that you like in here. And okay, that's it. Your Canva form is ready to use. It's just simple, quick, and totally customizable. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.